Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back. I was probably absent for 2 weeks and I was just so busy with the holidays and stuff, and being off kind of threw off my schedule. So I really wanted to do a video for this week, and I was looking for ideas and I found a water marble sort of thing for paper. And I already did a video a couple months ago where I water marble some rocks, and it was super fun. They turned out really cool. So I saw this pen where you can actually water marble paper, but it's not really water marble. Like, I'll explain it to you guys. That's just the best way that I can describe it. But you do get that marble look, and it's supposed to be for like envelopes, or if you want to like frame it with a phrase on it. That's how I've seen it too. I'm really excited to try this. I love anything that has to do with like stationery or anything that's like paper related. I don't know why. Like, I usually like artsy stuff, but in my off time I like to, like, if I have time, I like to like color, like those adult coloring books. I love those. And so anything that has to do with that sort of thing, I just love it. So when I saw this, I thought it was a great idea. I think it's gonna be really neat to see how this turns out, and it seems like it's really simple. Alright, so the stuff that I got was the cardstock paper. So in a way, you are kind of watering this paper a little bit because it has shaving cream. So if you use regular white paper, it's gonna ruin the paper. So you need something that's gonna be very thick, and I found that premium cardstock paper is the paper that you should be using. And this was about like $3 at Walmart, so it was pretty cheap, and there's like 80 sheets in here, so you can really do a lot with that. Another thing that I already had from my previous crafts is the shaving cream. So it just says to use like original, just the white one. So here are the two food coloring colors that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to use the blue and I'm going to use the red. The other thing that you're going to need is a spatula to kind of mix everything. And it did call for something to kind of scrape off the shaving cream, so I'm going to be using this. And you can use like a ruler or anything that's like kind of hard and it has like a flat edge. So you can pretty much use anything you have. But I'm just going to use these two little kitchen tools. It practically just says to put some shaving cream on a flat surface. So I'm gonna put that much. And then it just says to put a little bit of the food coloring. And you're only gonna do like a few drops. Okay, so I'm gonna do only those 4. And then you're gonna stir this, but you're not gonna want to really mix it in. Just kind of stir it like this, so where the color is just moved a little bit, but not really mixed. Alright, let's try this. I think that looks good. And then it says to put it down on a paper towel. Okay. And then the next step is to take that flat thing and just scrape it off. Oh wow! Oh, that's really neat. Alright, let me get that off. Oh wow, that's actually looking really good. Let me zoom you guys in. But alright, so watch this. you practically just swipe up. And look at that. That is so neat. Wow. And it said that you are able to do it again if you want to. And I definitely want to. Because I feel like this part turned out really good up here, but over here is kind of like not so marble looking. So I'm gonna try it again. Like you can really see. Wow. I feel like going over it twice was definitely the way to do it, because as you can see, let me get you guys a close-up, just how pretty it looks. This is definitely water marble. This is what you would see when somebody water marbles something. So it is definitely cool looking. Like you can definitely see it in all different ways, how neat the pattern is. So you can do so much with this. So what I'm gonna do now is mix the blue that I already have with the shaving cream on the plate, and I'm gonna put in some red because now I'm interested to see what it would do with two colors. Let's see this one. This one is so cool looking. So let me put it like this. See, this one you can see all of the red and the blue mixed. And it is just so cool. So that's the end of the video, and I legitimately had a lot of fun making these marble papers. Some like inspirational quotes just to see what it will look like on top of them. And this is what they look like. So I don't know if you can read it because I was using one of my silver pens that I had, because it looks pretty in person, but it's really hard to see in camera. But it says when it rains, look for rainbows. When it's dark, look for stars. So I thought it looked really, really good with the blue, and it has like that silver look to it. And my handwriting's not perfect, but it's just an example of what you can do with these papers. And then I also did, I cut the other one out into a heart shape. And I also put another quote on this, and this one says, "Say yes to new adventures." And I thought it looks so cute with the silver and the colors on there. So this is just, again, another example of what you can do. It was really amazing how quickly they dried, because it literally took like maybe 2 minutes for it to be completely dry and for me to be able to write things on them. Yeah, I think it's definitely worth a try, especially if you like scrapbooks and you like to do that kind of thing. You definitely want to try this. I'm really looking forward to trying this for like birthdays and Christmas and stuff like that next year to gift to people, because it is pretty special when you make it yourself. So I am pretty pleased with this DIY, and it did work. So I hope that you guys like it, and if you did, give this video a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.